Hello. How you guys doing? This is not the dev that I was talking about for this stream. I had to push that back a bit more because I am late just trying to actually get it done. But this is gonna be just a regular game disc. But it's gonna be me making a X8 type clone. Um, I'm just kind of sorry to just show you what I have in progress, but I kind of like, eh, I didn't. This is not what I pictured. I mean the development part. I mean the development part, how not the stream part, not the how the development will be. Anyway, this is your captain. This is your captain speaking, JV the Wanderer. Coming in 3, 2, 1. Hi, how you guys doing? So what was supposed to happen today was I was supposed to do a bit of a PowerPoint, show you how the game would look like, that sort of thing. But I was late. I was basically late, and I was basically not because I was late because I decided to try to do something harder by just instead of using a simpler method. I decided to go with a little bit harder method, which is just instead of spawning in blueprints, I spawn levels in level streaming, and that there was a beast to handle. So I had I had to move that back a bit. Not but I think I don't need to move back too far. I think Monday will be a good time for that. But for right now, I don't think I just need to stay streaming. I just want to stream, and what I'm streaming is this. I haven't played at X8. I have seen people stream it, and I was like, and me looking at this stream, like, wow, that's actually way straightforward. That's a straightforward game, and very short. I figured to do something like that, and that's what I'm doing. Try and do something like this. I'm not planning to sell it. But if this looks good or something like that, I could show it off in HIO. Probably, maybe not. But basically, basically recreating the what we have in X8. Basically, right now I have the posters and I have the counter. I don't have everything else ready yet. But however, I have that simulated in code, and I'm pretty much just getting most of the things I want in taken care of. Right now, I'm basically it's going to have a poster. It's going to have the door, and it's going to have the lights. The ceiling lights. And the goal is right now is to make, like I said, make some anomalies. And the way I'm going to do this is I say it's a little different, but it's actually someone I done before, way back when I was working. So real quick, let me go ahead and shut up and actually get through this. I have a door, and this door is looking like this. It's I know it's coder door, but it's a door nonetheless. I think if I could probably go around and talk about how I'm trying to accomplish. So real quick, I don't know. I don't know where the doors can be placed at. I'm just gonna grab a door and just go place them in there. I want to have like three doors. Three doors real quick. So I'm taking a wall out. One. Walls be right. A little bit over here. Needs to be a little bit in there. And make it 10. And I'm not don't try to expect me make the exact perfect. All I'm basically doing is making a bit of a clone. But sometimes, basically, sometimes in game development, you just want the way we learned from the best of how to do something like this. It's like observing and just doing it. 1 second. I think it's about. Not about it. No. Just going to try. I'm going to have to try to eyeball this. Yeah, definitely not perfect, but going to have to be a little bit. But either way, my day has been I'll say not busy, but basically just a little bit hectic. How I will describe this? It's about hour. It's like I'll say this. Basically, I've been basically running around trying to get in contact with somebody, and just hopefully to be able to talk with them, but it's not like I'm actually getting that kind of treatment lately. Okay. Let's see. Then I think I think it's gonna work. 3 doors. 3 doors. 3 posters. I want to have a light as well, so I'll make a blue grass. I'll make it DP underscore anomaly. Light. And the way I'm actually doing this is straightforward. Let's see. For now, I think my lights are going to be blocking. To be a cube. They're going to be about 1.5. And let me actually change the. Let me add another box. Cube. Down to 1.1 to 0.1. And for this frame, I want to get the create dynamic here instance. Now I'm just trying to do is change the color. There we go. And let's see, I need one more thing. Need the light. And for this one, I just need the rectangular light. that should be it. Now, of course, I have everything here, but of course, I said it's anomaly, so I'm going to actually bring in a custom actor component called anomaly listener. What it does is basically this: it listens to a certain it listens to the anomaly level mention. Actually, I probably have gone way back. So, for this part, I've actually created a actor component called a anomaly level manager, and what it basically does is just this is a manager that that basically that keeps track of if we have gone through an anomaly or not, when to spawn or call the anomaly, or to help trigger the anomaly for a particular particular actor in the world. And what the anomaly listener is end up going to do, it's going to listen to that anomaly. It's basically what it's going to end up doing is going to when they're spawned, it's going to get the anomaly manager. It's going to grab its delegates, the update trigger and update anomaly and the trigger anomaly, and it's going to listen to them. And if it calls out its name, like if it calls out when its call out its tag, it's going to activate. And then it's going to remove, once that's done, it's going to remove those delegates off that actor. So when a new one spawns in, it's going to list. It's going to do the same. It's going to list. Kind of hope I kind of explained that part. But basically, I had this way back when I was working on it the first time. I had this idea that when I first saw the game, it was like the first thing stuck at me is that it was what I thought it did is more of a level create a level instance where you just create a level. I have the level spawn within the persistent world and have copies of that. And I was actually going to try to duplicate that, but it turned out that part seemed to be too difficult. So I had to take a step back and look at it differently, and realize that the way it spawns is way more simpler than what I was going to. Like way simpler. Because this one does not, because that one doesn't really actually require. It doesn't really require to create a level. It only requires to create a blueprint. Right now, of course, I'm myself just creating a level right here, there. Doesn't mean I'm not. That doesn't mean I'm going to try and continue to do this. Actually, no. I'll definitely get back to where I'm doing later on. But hold tight for a second. Let's see. We have the 3 doors. We have the picture. We are definitely missing. I mean, well, I have made the lights. Need to have the light. I need to have that light be fluorescent. I need to make a material. I'll call this light. And this is basically a straightforward light. It's basically white. It is I wouldn't say translucent. I wouldn't say translucent. But I figure it's kind of translucent. Look at that value. And we're going to make an instance out of this. And we're just going to take this, put in here. Let's see. I'm going to also need to see. Let me need this real quick, like mesh. And I want to try to get the variable for it. Okay, so now we have that. We are not aligned. ALI not aligned. Real quick. Okay, Google, spell align. Make one that's just not aligned, and so I'll make another one that is like make another one that's just turned off. And one that's flickering. With that, we can actually create those. Also, real quick, I need to go back to the gameplay and just I just want to be able to make a normal light. One reason why is because I don't want, sometimes I just don't want to be, no, wait. Wait. I'm being stupid. What am I though? Okay, let's say I have this light. And we have this can I can change. Yes, I can. It's gonna look weird, but I believe I can change it. But let's see. I want to go ahead and have that roof. All right. For now, everything here is dark as hell. And I think my Nami light is it's movable. All right. So we can do this. Two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna line very weirdly. That's gonna be fine because there we go. And just eyeballing it. There we go. Let's go ahead and start you here. wonder if that is that exactly how I would want the lights to be. And I'm just adjusting the angles on the side just to see how it looks like. Just seen some something I want to try to adjust. Three. Three. Okay. That's a little light, and we should be good. I think on the right. Angle. Maybe. Maybe not. So we have 1, 2, 3 on that side. Hold on a second. Don't feel all off. I think it's way off. Here's this, but it feels it's gonna feel a little off, but we should be good. Okay. So for this, I only want once they have I want to select these. And all of them have this anomaly listener component. There is this one tag in the anomaly one I want off for them. And that is the not aligned. Oh. Hold on. Pick one of them. I get the listener. It's like, oh, can I get the no, I can't. Okay, so I have to do this one by one, don't I? What if I select? No, wait. No, I had to do it one by one. Okay. How about this? The reason I'm actually taking the anomaly, taking one of the parts of the anomaly tag is because I only want the. I only want these I only want these to be normal. I don't want these to rotate. Actually, looking at this now, I think I may need to readjust these as they're not actually aligned properly. But that's actually okay. If I do, if I get rid of these, and just place them like this, it should be fine. Alright, that's like now, I go to here, yep. Align. Not aligned. And I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this off. Now aligned. Alright. And let's see, maybe I'll adjust this as well. I mean, by adjusting them, I may like select one of them. Have that turn off the non-aligned thing, and just delete the rest because I messed up. There we go. I'm gonna make a copy. I'm gonna do it again. Three. Mm-hmm. Okay. And everyone that should be not have that tag. Awesome. And the last 4. I'm going to not have that tag. Okay. That should be it for that. There's actually one tag I need to make sure that it has for the painting. Actually, or like I said, posters. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to have them all in the same color. I'm gonna add the same color, and I'm gonna actually add another one. Another one. Called growing. However, one of them is going to look different. So if you look at it right now, they should have the tag, oh. No, they don't. They have one attack. Now they have two. So now I was like this one. I'm gonna have this set to have this another tag called a different color. Alright. There we go. Anything for door? I think I have the doors. I don't have the door set up. So you'll be seeing me doing something like this. I'm gonna make a subtag for the anomaly. I'm gonna make a door. Tag for door, and I'm gonna say two doors. Therefore we'll have but I'm thinking I'm gonna keep the doors clean. One more I'm gonna have to add in as well. Align. Doorknob. There we go. And that's basically all the tags, all the lights, and all the posters. And I'm only going to focus on these three. I'm not gonna try to go. Actually, there's probably one more I also want to add in, and that is the character. It's how we have the character move, walk in, turn to left, turn right, and stop at the point. And I'm always assuming that they have a nav mesh. Somewhere within the persistent level. So I'm assuming they have like on here type of nav mesh bond. Yeah, it's this one. It sets down like it sets it's like 0, 0, 0, and then scale it up to about $10,000. Although 10,000 is probably not big enough. So it has to be a lot more bigger than that. Looking at this and thinking about this, this might not be actually optimal because the building navigation is actually taking way longer than it should. Actually, the first time I ever seen the build navigation went up to like 5,000. All right, bring it back. Bring it back. Okay. How does one spawn in the nav mesh? Let's try 10,000 by 100. 50. 40. 540. Oh, this makes sense. Oh, this kind of angle, this makes sense. I just need to figure out how to get the nav mesh down into. I'm not sure I'm actually able to put a nav mesh in an actor. Navigation invoker. Nope. Nav modification. Nope. Yeah, so no. Can't do it that way. Well, let me actually see about navigation. See what it actually does when I do something like this. We don't want to make it static. We probably want to make it dynamic. All destroy with no navigation. Maybe not. Let's say yes. We did that. And we knock it all the way back to this number. Well, the navigation has to be built way bigger, which I don't think that's gonna be. I don't think that's gonna be beneficial. Here's the question. What happens if I start? Okay, I don't think anything has changed with navigation. So I'm assuming it's gonna be okay. I'm assuming it's gonna be okay. It's probably gonna be okay. It may be okay. Now hold my breath, folks. It's probably gonna be okay. Anyways, real quick, I know I have this count. I know I have this counter. I just don't have the game mode that has the that doesn't have the component. Called the normally level manager, which I think that's the only thing I need. We're gonna check the ballot. Like sometimes something weird happens and they'll do something crazy. We're gonna do this. Play print string. Give that a bit 60% and the bind event to check anomaly, and we're just making a custom event. Grab the anomaly manager. We want to get the counter, and we want to change we want to set this text to this counter. That's it. Nothing crazy. I think that's kind of it from this one. The next one I want to try to get make a trigger. Basically, this is gonna be like a box collision. Let me add in a billboard, just so I can see, where the box is gonna be at. And all it's going to do, so has to be the first person character, I think. So check if that exists. If that's the one that overlaps. Hey, hey, lover. Thank you. Hey, lover. Thank you. How you say your name? Lol Jeever. Anyways, thank you for the message. Sorry if I wasn't paying attention. I was like nail like focusing on this. First person character. If it's a first person character, the overlap this. Oh, wait a second. Begin play. We want to get the I want to do the same thing I did before. Just get the game mode and get the anomaly manager. That way I can pretty much be able to get a trigger, a bind trigger like this. Wait, actually, it needs to be a bit more reverse. I'm now thinking about it. We don't want the anomaly manager to trigger. We want to call a trigger. We want that's supposed to be for the component. We want to be able to call the anomaly manager. We want to be able to call the anomaly manager. And I think I'm able to call it. I think maybe. 1 second. Level manager. We have assignable. No, we're not. We're not able to call the counter. Okay. So here's what I'm going to need to do. Void. We need to call. I need something to call it back. Call on trigger. Anomaly. Function. Make a blueprint callable. Yeah, that's kind of about it. Oh. There we go. Create implementation invert. All it's going to do is going to check if this anomaly tag just like the anomaly. Trigger anomaly triggers the broadcast that thing, and the trigger is going to be called only once. Okay, because we don't want to have it called multiple times. We go ahead and save this. Now, of course, I have saved in code. I can make a build. I can make a quick build out of this by just clicking the little thing on the bottom left. It looks like cube building on itself. it'll give us a live coding build. So far we should have, yep, it succeeded. There we go. So now if I go back into anomaly manager, pull that node, call on trigger. And this is on the anomaly tag. I'm also going to need to make sure that this is also instance editable. That should be it for that one. Let's do another one. Duplicate. Spawn area. And this one is going to be the overlap, and it's not going to call on trigger anomalies. It's going to need to. It's going to need to spawn the rooms. We don't have the rooms actually made yet. Give me one moment. We need these spawned at certain points. We don't have a. I don't remember how to spawn these things. Right now, we don't have like a note. Actually, point. That tells exactly where these things should spawn. I do know that this point, this here is 000, and I know if I go from 000 to negative 3,000 to negative 4,000 and 0, we can and try to go from there to here. We'll get negative 3,000, negative 4,000. But now we need to actually also add that as well. So it'll be another negative 300 to negative 400, negative 3,000 to negative 4,000. That'll be negative 6,000 to negative 8,000 for the first room. And it's gonna be probably gonna be similar to the last, which is gonna be 3,000 to 4,000. Yeah. Okay. First things first, I think I need to make sure that I have my tag set up. One's 2 doors, the other one is just misaligned doorknob. Okay. But with all this, I think I'm ready. Probably wondering what I'm ready for, and that is basically selecting every one of these things. Almost every one of these things, actually. What we don't need selected is this, and this. Also this. Everything else, we're okay. Because now all I'm going to make is a new convert selection to blueprint class. These cannot be used as blueprints. You want to convert them without them? Recast nav? Yes. You can't, yeah, you don't need a nav mesh. Oh, the sky sphere? Nah, Alright, making sure the sky sphere is gone. Alright. Let's try again. Convert. And we're going to name this BP underscore. I don't think I'm gonna call it area. I've been calling it corridor, so I'm gonna call it I'm gonna call it corridor. And this should, this is going to be an actor. And this is going to be under the core gameplay map. I'll call this BP map. Okay. Let's select. And all this became a blueprint. So real quick, here's everything else. Here's all the blueprints, and everything here is a child actor. Oh gosh, everything's a child actor. The floors are a child actor. Okay, we don't want all of it to be child actors. And all of a sudden, hey, where'd the lights go? Okay, good thing I actually good thing still saved the corridor. Although I don't want all the mesh to be. I don't want all the mesh to be. I don't want all these static mesh actors to be just child. I just want them actually to be static mesh. I'll work around this. We're going to close it. We're going to delete that real quick. Let me actually try to. Select all these again. Wait. Select. I'm confused. What's going on? What is going on? Okay. I can select this. Oh, wait. Oh, why am I able to select? Let me do this. And let me open the map back up. Oh, let's not worry about that, I guess. For now, we know it's going to be 0, 0, 0. And we do know that I need to spawn. I need to be able to spawn it. Okay. Here's my plan. I want to try to get the things organized. So let me get a curve. What is it? What is it? It's a season. Scene. Scene does nothing. It just exists. And all I'm going to do is make floor scene exists. That's it. That way I'd be able to organize all these correct. All these correct. All these correct. Thank you. I'm sorry, I feel like my mic has quiet down all of a sudden. Floor. Then we're going to drag all this into floor. Trigger point. Oh, now thinking about it. Template. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm thinking, uh-oh, I'm like, oh no, and all that kind of stuff. I just realized these are going to be child actors, and these child actors going to spawn. These child actors are not going to have the same, nodes, because they are all, they're all like this. Okay. Let me think about this. Like, for example, the wait. Why did not realize doesn't have the right material? It should have this. Oh, there we go. I was about to wonder. Okay. I'm trying to think about this very clearly so I don't flip out. We're gonna have to set these only lights to be only flickering and turn off right now. Because if I try to do a misaligned, they will be all of them be misaligned. Okay. Okay, next up, I'm going to need to spawn these actors. I think I don't want to do it here. I want to do it in this corridor. Strange thing just says that the target point is. Oh, never mind. Set rotation type that number. Let's actually change you. Oh wait. Looks like they kind of align differently when they're in here. Okay. All right then. I think they're all aligned differently. Another scene. We'll call this anomaly actors. NL. Let's go. I thought I was going to sneeze for a second. Scene. Let's go ahead and just the scene here. And what's it called? This one. Posters. Just give me all the posters. Make the next scene. This one's gonna be the lights. Actually make the doors. Last one's gonna be just scene. This one's with the lights. Poster, doors, lights. I think that's kind of it. Okay. I had a certain way that I wanted to go, but like I said, something went wrong, so I'm gonna have to do it this way. It's just right now I'm staring at these things and I'm trying to think of my scheme on how to set the information here. Okay. Let me say I grab this. Make it the child. And let's see. I don't want to go ahead and try to cast. Instead, I want to try to get it get a function that will be that'll be in there. So I think what I'm going to end up doing. And I hate really doing right now. Doing a blueprint. It's gonna make a. Oh, I thought it was in here. Blueprint. The blueprint interface. BPI underscore init anomaly. And for this, I need to have a gameplay container. And say this one's the door one, so this one's supposed to have the 2 doors. In door 3. It's supposed to have to miss the line door. Let's try the light, and I know I want to try this like. My target point is in here. Let's not worry about it right now. Hey, what's this? This is 6. This is 5. Okay. Nope. Nine, 10, 11, 12. Reselecting. Like. Okay, stop. There. Okay. I was thinking about this. I think what I want to try to do is actually add him in instead of trying to trigger them in. So misaligned door, we're going to set this to not align. And these are going to be the light. And the painting, the last one. Poster. I say paintings, but they're really are posters. This one just needs to be a different color. The rest I think should be fine. It's just that this I want to be able to spawn another corridor. Oh, there's one more. Hold on a second. Is this character supposed to do anything special? I don't think it need to do anything special. I think we should be good here. It's just that I'm trying to think about this trigger. Okay. Let's pick a component, scene component real quick, just to organize again. I'm gonna make a collision. Now, if I tell you, originally I want to do the doing it in levels instead of doing it in doing something like this, because levels are because you can be able to change these things in levels very easily instead of trying to change things in the change these things in the blueprint. I mean, it's possible, but it's very annoying. Um, very, very annoying. Okay. What I want to try to test is I just want to see if I'm able to overlap a particular actor as to be the first person character. We'll do the same thing here. And we're also checking if it's the first person. We're gonna do one for both of them. Okay, maybe not right now. Let's do. I'll call this one spawn room trigger. I'm going to add an event. want to be able to spawn the rooms, I think. And I have to select it and zero it out. This is what will look like zeroed out. So this is going to be more. What I'm seeing here is going to be a bit more lower. We want to. I want to find the point real quick. Here we go. So it's going to have a bit more different information than before. The only thing I need to do, make sure is I ignore the Z-axis. And just add these things together, I think. Okay, we can bring this back in. Let me put you in the center. That's not the center, that's the entrance. So we have spawn room trigger. The next one's down. We anomaly trigger exclamation mark. No, 1. Next one will be anomaly trigger. Anomaly trigger 2. Let's make sure these are these also have the events in here. Also have the events in here. We're setting these things up. Okay. Really hate to do this, but not doing it this way. Mm. I think I'm gonna have to, think off stream. I have to come back to that room again and see what other way could I set this up, because if this is the way that some of the developers done this, I know there's a better way. I definitely know there's a better way, other than just creating a room and just have all this have all this set up this way. I know, and I'm not crazy. I know there's a better way, and I'm not crazy. I'm just not crazy. Okay. I want to get the active location, and I want to get target point. Okay, to be very honest, maybe not the target point. I want to get the arrow. Reason why I'm doing that, because I really just don't want to spawn a target point. And this one's just pretty much straightforward. Okay, close to straightforward. How the heck is this? Okay, we're a little off. Okay. Alright, fine. That should be fine. That should be fine for right now. I'm going to get the world location of that entrance. You're going to add these two together. We're going 0 out to 0. Break this apart. We're going to make a vector. Do this. Spawn room. Always spawn, ignore collisions. Compile. Okay, I figured that's going. I figured that's going to happen. Let me guess. Can't have more than. We can't have more than one. Yeah, we can't have more than one. Alright, let's hold on those lights. I'm glad they come back this have to come back this later again because the lights are going to be a bit these are going to be a bit difficult to work around. I know exactly how. I know it's possible. I know exactly it's possible. Just I don't think I have this right. Is what I'm saying. Before doing more of this, let me actually go into our here and let me actually add our initiation anomalies real quick. Let's see. I cannot get the anomaly tag. That's the reason why. It's because I don't have the anomaly tag exposed. It was supposed to be read only. I think I have to make it read and write. Just for this. Like it's not actually supposed to be read write only. It's supposed to be read only on purpose because I don't want anything to change here. But the way it was going, it was kind of weird for me. So Let's see. Anomaly tag. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now do all of them in door. Wait. That's kind of about it. Now let's actually just go through our thing here. Make a switch on gameplay tag, and I think we just need to. This is for the light. We just need to call which is which here. It's gonna be something similar like for all of them. So I'm gonna make a copy of this. I'm gonna grab the door, and I'm going to grab the. Okay, grand or not light. This one's poster, so it's just only the different colors. This one's the growing. And this one's the same color. I think for this one, I also want to make the trigger. Our last thing. Make sure we have only two things we have: misaligned door knob and two door. It's basically just I think it's basically just it for those. That's basically just it for those. Okay. Cool. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's all of it. Hmm. Now all I have to do is test. I broke something already. So right now I have to do build. There we go. Let's try this again. Okay, everything's working. Let's walk through one of the triggers. There we go. Spawn room. Notice the let's see if it works. It worked. Sort of. Almost. Oh my god. Not only it works, it actually just is doing a little bit of a hiccup. And it worked too okay, it worked too well. Okay, it worked too well. I think my math might be wrong here. Let me go back. Okay. I know if I add, I know we have to add these two together to get the location of that point. Okay. What if we add it again? And well, we'll basically just get this. Okay, sure. Actually, hold on a second. That might be incorrect as well. Okay. I remember the exact number. 3,000 by negative 4,000. And we are a bit close. Okay, we're a bit far away now. Okay, that's not exactly right. Okay. Don't worry, I have another thing. This is like one of the old codes I was originally going to do when I was thinking about on the level. It was basically just like getting the point location. It's like getting the connection point actor plus the level bound. If I had to think about this, wait, what's the level bound of this actor? We know this thing exists. This exists in. Okay, it doesn't exist in here. But it's making it exist in here anyways. We have this selected. Let's go ahead and make this move in here. Wait, why are we here now? Nothing to worry about. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if level balance actually will work. Okay, almost. Yeah, I think the reason might be is you. Doors and lights. Let's actually. I know how to solve this. These are not relevant. Okay, so that's not working. Could be the looking at this, not the light. Goo, you're scaring me. What else can we solve? What else can we do in this? Okay, so we know it's 70. That's for sure. And looking this, it's definitely 80. Okay. Let's do that. Put it 0, 0, 0. Yeah, that's it. Oh, damn it. Okay. Let's okay, maybe it's 71110, 700, 7,000. That's not even it. Down to 8,000. Okay. Hold tight for a second. I think I might know something. Or at least I think I remember something. This was shifted a little bit. Let me actually go and copy this. me a notepad real quick. I don't remember exactly the number. Actually, no. Let me remove that pin. I'm going to subtract. Sorry, just doing some complicated math. Complicated, unnecessary math, just to get just a little bit working. I'll respawn the rooms. Okay, we're close. That was definitely the issue. I think it's because I think we went a bit too far on the exit. The exit. No. I do remember exactly it was three. It was actually 3,000. 3,000. So maybe I've went. Maybe I went 500 bit, 500 over. There we go. No announcement yet, just flying rooms. All right. Okay. Let's just say we only need the. I think we only just need the U. Okay, nothing went wrong. Maybe something went wrong a little bit. Oh. Okay, I was correct this time. All right. All right, that's a lot better. All right, we got the room spawning. Okay. All right, perfect. I think now here I need to be able, instead of spawning in, instead of having spawn here, I need to spawn somewhere else. So I know I don't want to want them spawning in this area, and I know I have a anomaly manager. I want to use that anomaly manager to actually be able to take it somewhere else. So I think I'm going to have the anomaly manager to spawn. However, however, I need to figure out how we want these rooms to spawn actually. Okay. We want this callable. However, I don't want to be able to do this in Blueprint. Just want to do it in code. So, the way we will do this is by I forgot. I mean, I know how to code it, but I forgot the function of how to do that exact thing. Okay. Get world. We're going to do a spawn actor deferred or spawn actor. Oh. Here's what I'm thinking right now. I'm staring at this. I'm thinking about spawning, about trying how to get this spawn. And I realize I might be ending up spawning the actor because the one because the one we made was a it is an actor, but it's probably. But it's kind of in his way, in his own different type of actor. I think it might work. I hope it works. Maybe it'll work. let me try this. Not going for a spawn count, thank you. I don't think I need the room transform. I just need the transform and the exit. Okay. From class, on entrance. Always spawn. Alright, cool. Now looking at this, do I really need to make it a defer? I don't think I need to make it a defer. I just need to make it a spawn actor. Go. Then I need to make this and include okay. That should be it. Sort of. Soil kind of not really. We just need to make like mirrors, actors. Okay. I really am way deep into it. I'm really just want to try to get this in here. Okay. If mid-room already exists, if enter-room already exists, destroy the exit room. Exit room becomes middle room, middle room becomes the enter room. Actually, having the enter room becomes the middle room becomes the exit room. There we go. Okay, that should make. Um. All right, one more thing I think I need to do. I think I want to try to make call function called a knit on room. And all this is going to be the same as this. Transform. This is going to just zero our null. I think that's just gonna be it. Okay. That explains everything. That explains why that was I mean this really that explains why I was getting this really red thing. Okay. Save. Run this. I mean running it, I mean my see what we have here. Refreshing. Encode. Okay, we got an error. Room entrance transform undeclared to identifier. Oh. actually brings a question to me. Do I need the okay, I have in here, so I might need it. Okay. Initiate spawn room. We're going to get the corridor. Okay. And let's go ahead and open this corridor and actually get that spawn. We should have the anomaly manager here. We can have the spawn room. Okay. Okay. Click the entrance, look at the exit. We save. Let's run it. Run back real quick. I know this is what we do once, so we want to do once. So, all right, there is no room behind me. So if I walk into trigger, I question why it spawns twice. I think it spawned twice because I still have this in here. I still have this. There we go. That explains it. Okay, so it did the trick. Almost. If I go to the front, there's that room. All right, cool. All right, that should destroy the exit room. Oh, wait a second, we're kind of off here. We're not off, we're kind of Wait a second. I'm a bit confused. Okay, locked in here. Go through here. We'll walk to the left. Walk to our left. Here's our spawn room. I say we continue more. This would definitely benefit with a running animation. All right, real quick. Let's see. We got this. It has our transition to that number, and for this, it has a transition to that number. Print screen real quick. Grab a paint, and it's just so I can remember the exact numbers to subtract off. Okay. So let's see if I clear this off right now. I think I want to zero this out. It's $39.117 160 negative minus which for this is actually a plus. One, two, 039. All right, so the X needs to be a bit point. And it's the same for the other one. 3.30435. All right. Call that and give that a try. All right, that's a lot better. If I were to check right now, we should have 3 rooms. All right, this kind of feel, it's kind of feeling like in that one, like in the Exit 8 game. All right, compile. Let's see how it looks like right now. We should have. Okay, we don't have DR room spawn. Okay, why? All right, real quick, I'm going to go back in my level management, look into here. And we're going to check if this was working. Is spawn room entrance this? Yes. Wait. Okay. Room did not enter and exit room didn't exist. It only exists because of middle room is the only thing that exists in the world. So when the trigger exit and spawn room exists. So if I walk over here. Okay, this exists. The enter room exists. The exit room is the one that's gonna get destroyed. The middle room is going to be the exit room. And whatever the enter rooms will have will be the middle room. Okay. So this is it. Okay, we have our rooms. Rooms exist. And not only floor exists. So, okay, which one's an only floor? This is not only 4. This is not only 1. Okay. Exit, entrance. We got the location. Let's see location for both of them. Okay. So that should be correct. It's just that the We're not actually spawning on the correct spot. Wait. Okay, I want to know which one is spawning the room, actually. And okay. Hit this. Quarter 0 is spawning the room. Critical continue. Number 1 is spawning the room. Okay. So this exists. Okay, cool. And we're definitely getting the points from here. Okay, I don't know how I'm getting that wrong. Okay. Quota anomaly 3. Wait a second. It's doing it backwards. I mean, it is actually spawning correctly. It's just now we're doing it backwards. Okay. Okay, I get it. Okay. So far, looking at this and thinking about this, I think we're going to have to do it in a different. I think I have to do this in a different way. In a somewhat different way. Because it looks like we don't. Because we don't need spawn. We don't need to spawn the entrance route. Not at least not in this way. Let's go back in here and let's go back to my. Back over here. Let me find that collision. Here we go. This is spawn room. We only need. We'll actually probably need 2. I think. Like how exactly we'll do this. Start at begin and end. Oh, we could probably go with. I could probably go with that. Okay, so that means we're gonna do a direction. So that will also mean I'll do. Like this way. There we go. This, let me take this, compile, let me close, and let me actually go ahead and restart. Okay, we got. Okay, we got an error here. What's up? Overload member function not found. Overload member function not found in your anomaly level manage. The heck? Oh. Oh, okay. Here, give me a second. Is it room transform? It's room transform. Bam. Bam. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, that's right. I was like, oh, don't do this to me. Don't do it. Oh, wait, that's right. I had to set it up differently. Excuse me. All right, here we go. Now we gotta get rid of you guys. Okay. Let me see. I might try to remember exactly where to begin. So this is where the begin is, and this is where it's up here. Or this is going to appear. Let's do. A little sequence. I want to get the direction. Get forward. I want to get forward direction, and we're going to dot color. The direction of the begin anomaly. Now you're probably wondering why I'm doing this. And this is a little math trick of picked up. And what I'm trying to do is we're trying to check if the forward vector and with the active forward vector and the anomaly forward vector is the same. They're probably not gonna be the same. So let me actually try test things out. Actually, hold on a second. Again, anomaly. This is its forward vector will be that direction, so it's going to be in an opposite. And how I know this, the x-axis is pointing this way. If I'm pointing this way, it's if the character is pointing this way, and I'm moving forward, and hit the trigger, it's going to tell us that the trigger is going to be incorrect. Matter of fact, this might be incorrect at all, because what if the character is moving backwards and it hits the trigger? Okay, so maybe not. Hmm. Okay. All right, let's do this then. Let's try. Beginning the anomaly. Beginning the original anomaly here. And this one will be active. Once it begin anomaly here, active. Yeah, I think that might work. It's just now I need to name this our anomaly. What to actually call it. Okay, I think I got it. Let's go do a do once. Then we're going to branch. No, we're going to get a boolean. We're going to make a boolean. If the anomaly active is true, then do this. There we go. I'll do the same for the end. I'll do the same for this. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's one more thing I need to actually grab. Okay, not one more thing to grab, but one more thing to highlight and set up. Next scene, I'll call this counter. There we go. For this one, I think I want to try to destroy it. All right. Cool. I don't know why, but I think I need another. I think I need another. I think I need another one. Another interface. Okay. real quick. Where did I put that anomaly interface at? Outside. All right, let me go ahead and reload all. And actually, let me actually go into here. But actually put this in here. And let's go back here. Let's go to close this down. And we're going to generate. There we go. I think we should be good here. If not, I can always look back at my old project and see if I'm actually missing something. No, I think we're good. Okay. All right, that should be it. Oh, wait. Oh. I knew I was missing something. Spawn room. There we go. I think that's correct. And then use that. Then I hit this. That should be it, I think. Ugh. Uh, okay. Okay. I can't actually do that correctly. So here's what I have to do. Get space. What's the best way to do that? Hmm. Gameplay statistic. Right now, I'm typing a question in Google and see if I can get how to check if this actually has the interface. Class. Here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. Let me go back here and let me actually go make sure that I add that interface in there. There we go. Save. Okay. We'll add breakpoint, and here we go. It's actually doing its thing. Cool. That's all I needed. That's all I needed to do. Because now I'll walk here. Okay. So if there's no exit, and we'll do the same here. Okay. Here we go. Here's the room. We can walk through here. We can walk through here. I feel like a door is a lot more bigger than I am. All right. All I'm doing right now is checking if this is working properly. Yes, it is. We should have about 3 rooms right now. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Go back down. All right. So now when we have that room on, we should have room 0 destroyed. Awesome. Okay. Now we do have these rooms here and there and all that kind of stuff. We should have, if I go all the way back to the beginning. Huh, wait a second, what happened here? Oh, it destroyed this room, but it didn't flip this around. Huh, okay. Of course, they didn't flip anything around. Just destroy the component. The only thing it did is destroy the component. Now let's try. Alright, let's go backward. Okay. Looks like we're a little bit off. But it's doing its thing. But it's doing its thing. Let me actually finish. I think I should be able to finish this up a little bit. And I'll call it. One thing I want to try and guess is if I use this number and have it flip, is it going to give us the exact numbers we need? No. Okay. Oh, it'll give us the exact number we need if they're positive. If X and Y are positive. Okay. I have to look. I do have to look at this again. Try to get that fixed. Okay. Almost. We are almost close to it. Okay. We're kind of close. Hmm. $27.40. I'm just going to end up punching numbers I don't know. All I know is it could be 44 something with a few little numbers left. Okay, I could probably play around with these numbers a little bit. I'll still not get exactly the correct number. But exactly this number, this way. What happened if I do this? Yeah, I thought so. I thought that's going to happen. Okay. But yeah, I think I'll call it from here. Call from here. So far now we have. So far now I have the room spawning. I do have an exact. I do have the exact numbers for what it is, but I'm going to have to fix this because this is not exactly how this is supposed to work. How I'm supposed to do. Because it makes things a bit off, and I need to make sure I be able to make this exactly the right position where the right place where it needs to be. Because right now it's actually not in the correct spot. But either way, I think I'm good here. If I get this finished, I should be looking at this. I should be able to get this a little bit finished to at least today or tomorrow, and I'll definitely try to make sure to have that dev talk sometime later this Friday, next Friday, because there's supposed to be a talk. I'm supposed to be able to talk about this and give my opinions about it, how I approach this. But I just keep pushing it back. So let me go. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I'll talk y'all later. If you like the stream, follow me here on Twitch or subscribe to me here at YouTube. And with that, I'll talk y'all later. All right, bye bye.